Hello, Dimsdale. I'm Jet You Betcha with today's editorial, which technically makes it a Jetatorial.
President Donald Trump announced a new initiative to lower U.S. drug costs, including a deal with Pfizer and the creation of a Trump RX website launching in 2026. Pfizer agreed to sell drugs at most favored nation prices, matching the lowest rates in peer countries, and to offer many medicines at about 50% discounts through Trump RX. The company will also expand U.S. manufacturing and invest $70 billion while receiving a temporary tariff reprieve. Critics warn insurance and supply chain factors may limit savings for patients, and some drugs still carry high out-of-pocket costs. Experts note drug makers could raise prices abroad instead. Trump's plan faces skepticism over its impact and questions about legal authority to enforce MFN pricing. In other developments, more than 70 people have fallen ill with norovirus aboard Royal Caribbean's Serenade of the Seas, according to the CDC. The 13-day cruise, which departed San Diego on September 19th and is set to reach Miami on Thursday, reported 71 of 1,874 passengers and one of 883 crew experiencing vomiting and diarrhea. The CDC's vessel sanitation program is overseeing containment efforts. Royal Caribbean said enhanced cleaning, testing, and isolation measures have been implemented to reduce further spread. Norovirus, a highly contagious gastrointestinal illness, is often transmitted through contaminated food, surfaces, or close contact. The CDC reports 19 gastrointestinal outbreaks on cruise ships in 2025 so far, with 14 linked to norovirus. In another update, a magnitude 6.7 earthquake struck the central Philippines on Tuesday night, prompting residents to flee into the streets and causing power outages and structural damage in some areas. The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology reported that the quake was centered about 17 kilometers northeast of Bogo City in Cebu province and was triggered by movement along a local fault. Authorities warned of potential aftershocks and additional damage. Power disruptions were also reported in the area. The Philippines sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, a region of frequent seismic activity, making it highly vulnerable to earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. In other developments, Hollywood stars and SAG-AFTRA are voicing concern over Tilly Norwood, an AI-generated actress created by Eline van der Velden of UK-based Particle 6. Van der Velden revealed at the Zurich summit that her studio is in talks with a talent agency to represent Norwood, sparking backlash. Emily Blunt called the idea terrifying, while Simu Liu mocked the concept. And Whoopi Goldberg argued AI actors hold an unfair advantage. SAG-AFTRA issued a statement opposing AI performers, stressing that creativity must remain human-centered and warning against devaluing artistry. Norwood's Instagram account has 30,000 followers and features acting clips, though van der Velden insists she is a piece of art and a creative tool, not a replacement for human actors.
From all of us here, stay classy, Dimsdale.